All right, we're getting ready to do episode number 205. This is about education and sales. Welcome to episode number 205 of the Niche Experience. I am Sean Michael Lewis, and I am live here at Check One Studio in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. So excited about today's topic. We're talking about education is the new sales. And a lot of people love to float these words around. Education is the new sales. Education is the new sales. But do they really understand what that means? I mean, being an educator, right, it's really what it's all about. You know, especially because we are in such a niche industry in the disaster restoration world. What does education look like? Because we can't really, well, we can, but when you're educating somebody to use you or have a relationship with your company that focuses in cleaning fire, water damage, mold, all those types of things that haven't happened yet, how do you build a relationship where they're going to trust you the first time something happens, or if they're already using somebody, why would they trust you more? And the answer is simple. You have to be an educator in all aspects of their business, right? So what is important to them? What keeps them open? What makes them money? What keeps them sustainable if there is a disaster? And how do you cultivate around that? And honestly, the way we've done this in the past is by creating disaster planning resources. There's apps out there, there's resources out there. How do you build a legitimate contingency plan and build off of that month after month after month so you can continue to have a good relationship with them? Trust me, active shooter situation, fire drill, what to do if a leaky pipe happens, how to prevent those from spreading. Yeah, you might say, why would I want to do that? What's the point of that? I want them to have a disaster. Well, no shit. They're going to have a disaster no matter what. Do you want them calling you because they feel value out of you and maybe you've helped save them money before? So when something unexplainable happens or uncontrollable events happen, they will contact you. I can tell you, we have done this with a restoration company, thousands of profiles created from the ground up. 80+% business was coming from those commercial relationships, big and small. Some of them were big jobs, over $1 million. Some of them were very small, but they always called because they trusted us and they knew that process. There is so much education that can be done when it comes to disaster preparedness, contingency planning, even their business, their insurance coverage, so much. You have to be an educator. You have to pride yourself in being an education company in whatever space you're in. I always say this all the time, be an education company in your industry. Just like at tier level, it's like why we love doing podcasting, why we love doing all these things. We want to be the premier education-based digital marketing agency in this service-based industry, whether it's restoration, pest control. We want to be the experts when it comes to education. So are you educating or are you selling? Quit throwing up on your customers and start teaching them stuff. Ask good questions. You can provide good answers. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you guys soon.